How to delete YouTube channel permanently on phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch any browser that you have on your device. Here I'm going for Google Chrome, and as I go to Google Chrome, just tap on the search bar and search for the youtube.com. So make sure that you're logged into your account and launch your YouTube Studio, for which you can just tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen over here. And as I do that, tap on the YouTube Studio option. As I tap on the YouTube Studio, just make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. So just tap on the settings at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now as I tap on bottom left corner of the screen, tap on the channel option. Tap on advanced settings. Now scroll down. And here you can see the option of remove YouTube content. So tap on remove YouTube content, and as you tap on remove YouTube content, it will take you to a new page where you have to verify if that's you who is trying to remove the content. So you can just use your screen lock or passkey to verify that it's you, and after verifying, it will start to process. And here you can just get the option of I want to permanently delete my content. So tap on it, and you can just select the options over here and then tap on delete my content, and that's how you'll be able to delete your YouTube channel permanently on your phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.